I'm allergic to everything.
Maybe Lisa Bautista is like you, or a friend or coworker who suffers from allergies. According to her doctor, John Sweet, with Hennepin Healthcare,
you'll feel a gentle poke.
1 in 6 people have them.
Watery eyes, itchy eyes, stuffy nose, congestion.
And for some, those symptoms can last all year long, or they can be seasonal. Here's the timeline. During the winter months, we deal with indoor allergies like dust, mold, and animal dander.
You tend to see a lot more indoor allergies when people close up the house, turn on their heating systems.
During the spring months, beginning now for us, trees and grass pollen are high.
And so people can start reacting with the first snowmelt. Any winds coming from the south can carry pollens hundreds of miles where the trees are budding.
And during the summer months, grass and weed pollens are the main culprits. Fortunately, Dr. Sweet says there are ways to fight allergies, like wash your bed sheets at least once a week, wipe down surfaces once a week, shower before bed, take off shoes, hats, jackets at the door, take allergy medicine a week or 2 before your allergy season, and
it can be very tempting when the weather gets warmer to open the windows. Don't want to do that. Keep the outside out. Don't let the pollens or any possible molds that you're allergic to into the home.